Right, so I'm here at Triumph. I've just taken the Scrambler 400 out for a test ride, and I've got to say, I love it. The seating position is perfect for me. It's nice and high. I've gone for the Scrambler because if I'm going to go to places like Vietnam, I need kind of an off-road-y sort of bike as well. Road tyres are not going to cut it, so yeah, I really liked it. So I'm just doing the filling the forms in now. I'm going to order it, book it, pay a deposit, and then that's it. It's it's actually been in a bit of a discount. 174,900 baht, which is about just tipping over £4 grand English money. That is a good deal. So Triumph Scrambler 400, and I've got it in red, Ducati red. Well, it's not Ducati red, but yeah. So filling in the forms now. This is the one I've ordered. So it's not Ducati red, but I thought I've got to stay with red. It's just a great bike. Really like it. Standard of green, but I like to be different. Yeah, actually got a 12,000 baht discount, and I've also asked for an accessory, which is like a bag that fits on the side, and he said because of the discount on the bike we can't give you that, but we can give you 50% off. It's like, wow, okay, I'll take that. So yeah, I'm getting a bag 50% off as well. Alright, so we're at the second part of this video. So this is now me dropping off the bike at Motorbike, which by the way was a great rental. That white Kawasaki 175 I had, what a great little fun bike. So that's gone back. Now I'm on my way to Triumph / Ducati. It's the big showroom that they've got there, and yeah, I'm going to pick up the Triumph if all goes well. You've got to do all the paperwork. You've got to have proof of residence, your passport, Thai driving license, and then you're good to go. So I'll keep you updated as the video goes. Once we get in there, I'll show you the process, if you like. But yeah, this is me buying my first motorbike in Thailand. Bikes, look, see, that's what I'll go for, but for touring it's not really the answer. But anyway, Sawadee krap. I'm good. Very smiley today. there she is. That's going to be my bike as from today. I wanted to point out, you get a red plate to start with. It's not unusual, according to Tom Jones. Sorry guys, I'm just excited. Yeah, every new vehicle gets a red plate and then it has to be registered. Once it's registered, you get a white plate. So another thing you can't do is go touring, would you believe it? Like, for instance, out of Pattaya, if I go out of the area, I'm not allowed with a red plate. So I've been told again by people that know what they're talking about. So that's where we are at the moment. So I just thought I'd sort of give you the process as I'm learning it today, buying the bike. So I will ask about the process of registering and how long it takes. So we'll come to that. But I've got my bottle of water and it's going down a treat. It's a warm one today, but then it always is. So the tyres come standard, and they're Metzler tyres, which are a good quality tyre, I have to say. But Triumph as well, I mean, good old British made motorcycle. I mean, even the pegs are nice and wide, which is unusual, but because it's a Scrambler, that's what you're going to get. Because you'll be standing up some of the time when you're going on dirt tracks, maybe. So I just love it. It's just a great little bike. I've just paid. Now he's gone to check the insurance because that's going to cost me 11,000 baht for the year, which is good. I'll take that because my Ducati was 2,000 British pounds a year.
Stop นะ this one ก็ได้ this one ก็ได้
Look at this. Little USB to charge your phone or sat nav even. Brilliant. How about this? So not only have I got discount, good discount on this bike, 50% off the bag, by the way. That was all included, the 175,000, which come out about 4,022 British pounds, give or take. So that is a fantastic deal So then he said about insurance. I said, well, I need insurance. He said, okay, we can do that for you. He said, 11,000 baht. Oh, okay. He's just done it, and because he's gone on the computer and the computer says yes, it's free for the first year. I mean, what service? The bag won't be ready for 2 or 3 weeks because it's got to be imported, but that's absolutely fine because they can't keep every single accessory. So that's fine. So how about that? I've got the insurance for free for the first 12 months. Wow. So there you go, guys. I'm going to wrap it up here. The last thing you'll see on this video is me leaving the showroom on my new Scrambler Triumph 400X. Very excited, very exciting day. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you get a little bit of value from this video and you learned something, because I have. So again, thank you so much. Love to Luke, Mia, Mum and Sis, and I'll see you on the next one.